Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss about note making, which is a very important part of our syllabus. It is of up to 7 marks. While making notes, we have to go through some steps. I have made slides of that. 1 minute. First of all, what we have to do is to read out the passage given to us thoroughly with full concentration. Then we come to know the whole passage moves around what topic, and we give title to that passage, like global warming. This passage is about global warming. uh, we give it heading or title like global warming. Then we go through the paragraphs given in it, and for example, first paragraph is about the causes of global warming. Then we give subheading causes of global warming, and in between paragraph there given causes number 1, 2, 3, and we give subheading 1, 2, 3. Like we give subheading number 1, then subheading should be like that 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. While writing subheadings, use phrases and omit helping verbs. That means that we should not use full sentence. And in subheadings, use of abbreviations should be there. In whole note making, at least 5 to 6 abbreviations should be used, not more than one abbreviation in a single line. Abbreviation should be universally accepted, like you see in daily life we use EDU for education, PVT for private, and in your answer sheet you have written ANS, that is short form of answer, GOVT, that is for government. These are the abbreviations used for these 4 words. Lastly, we make key to abbreviations. In this key, all the words we have used in the whole note making, they lie here, and we give numbering to these words. We have also a slide for format of note making. We have to follow this format while writing notes. Format for note making, we give title, write here title. While writing this format, we have to follow. We should concentrate on the margins we left. For subheading, like here I used 1, 2, 3. These you see 1 is below number second subheading is below first and third is below second. Margins is equal, and for subheading I write 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 for one subheading and 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 for second. Likewise 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 for third. You see here for subheading I use equal margin. This should be in this alignment, and for subheadings alignment should be like that. Lastly, we make key to abbreviations. All the words we have used in note making like education, government, answer, these we keep in this box. This is for about 4 marks.